Hi there, Elisa Hollinger here. Just a quick message today about IRS notices. Did you know that I would have to guess, I don't know the statistics because I haven't looked it up, but I would have to guess about 50%, maybe more, of the notices that you receive are either incorrect or incomplete. What I mean by that is incorrect as in they don't have, maybe they've got the information wrong, maybe they're missing other pieces, or they only fix one part of the problem, they don't fix the whole problem, meaning they don't carry it through, or incomplete because they don't have all the information. Maybe they don't have the stock basis, maybe they're missing your deductions, maybe they have, I don't know, information that should be reported to somebody else, or maybe you're a married individual and they don't have your spouse's income. So often these notices are, I like to consider them a starting point. Something is awry with the IRS and they've sent you a notice. You should never assume that the notices are right, and you should never assume that the IRS is going to figure out that you couldn't possibly owe that money. No. Once that notice is out, the system moves forward until something stops it. And the only way to stop it is to either call them or get a representative to figure out what's going on. So if you receive a notice and it doesn't make sense, then you either need to call the IRS or get some help, because the problem will just continue to explode and go from there. I hope that helps. If you get those IRS notices, don't ignore them. Review them, read them. They usually have important information to kind of tell you where you need to go next. I hope that helps. My number is 501-725-2626. It's going to be at the top of the screen up here, 501-725-2626. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.